Hello and welcome to All Temp Refrigeration and Heating. We are a licensed HVAC contractor that services Phoenix, Arizona and other surrounding areas. We provide professional heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance contracts to our customers. We are experienced with residential and light commercial air conditioning systems. Our technicians are NATE certified, thorough, and friendly. We guarantee every repair we do with a 1-year warranty. If you're in the market for a new air conditioner, we are a factory authorized dealer with several industry leading manufacturers. At All Temp Refrigeration and Heating, we focus on quality, service, and customer satisfaction. Call us today at 480-360-5200 for fast and professional air conditioning service.